Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, join the family, share, like and comment on my videos as always. Na kama umerudi tena, asante sana, nashukuru. I really appreciate your efforts guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make some creamy mashed potato, and this is the easiest recipe ever. Just sit back, relax and take some tips from this video. For the mashed potatoes, you first have to boil your potatoes, and as you can see, I already washed mine and it's on the heat. Added some water to boil and sprinkled some salt too. So always remember to put salt in your cereals, in your potatoes, yes, before you start cooking them so that it can absorb that taste always. Then cover it for it to simmer. After like 10 to 15 minutes, check on your potatoes, and as you can see, mine are already cooked so well. Go ahead and check with a wooden stick or a fork. Get rid of excess water in your potatoes before you start mashing so that it gives you the good or best results. Mash until you get rid of those lumps. Use a wooden stick as I'm doing, or if you have a potato masher, well and good. Take your time to mash until you get rid of all those lumps. So make sure you achieve that result, the soft mashed potatoes. Okay, for the ingredients that I'm going to use in my mashed potatoes are onions, some milk, and a margarine. You can also use butter if you have. So I went ahead and added my cooking oil on the pot and let it heat for 2 minutes. After the cooking oil has heated so well, go ahead and add your onions and cook until translucent. After you've achieved the color of your onions, then you can go ahead and add your mashed potatoes and mix everything together. Mark you, we won't add any salt because we had already put some salt when the potatoes were boiling. I added 1 teaspoon of margarine. You can use butter if you have. And make sure you mix everything together. I also used some milk for my mashed potatoes to be creamy. Mix everything together. Yay! You can see my final results. I loved my creamy mashed potato. I really enjoyed it with my crispy chicken too and some sauce there. So try this recipe out and tell me on the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe on my channel, share my videos, like and comment as always. Just look at the amazing results. Looking so good. Until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.